Today we are diving into a heated controversy shaking India's consumer and legal landscape. Yoga guru and Patanjali founder Baba Ramdev is in hot water with the Delhi High Court over his shocking Sharbat Jihad remarks targeting Hamdard's iconic Ruh Afza drink. What did Ramdev say? Why is the court furious and what does this mean for his empire? Let's break it down. On April 3 this year, Baba Ramdev sparked outrage while promoting Patanjali's Gulab Sharbat. In a viral video, he coined the term Sharbat Jihad, alleging that a company widely understood to be a Hamdard, makers of Ruh Afza, was using profits to fund madrasas and mosques. He urged consumers to protect themselves from the so-called Sharbat Jihad by choosing Patanjali's product instead. Hamdard, a trusted name in India for over a century, filed a lawsuit against Ramdev, accusing him of communal slurs and hate speech. The remarks also drew fire from Congress leader Digvijay Singh, who filed a police complaint in Bhopal calling Ramdev's comments unconstitutional. Today, the Delhi High Court, led by Justice Amit Bansal, slammed Ramdev's remark as indefensible and said they shocked the conscience of the court. Hearing Hamdard's plea, the court called the Sharbat Jihad comment a case of communal divide. Not just product disparagement, senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, representing Hamdard, argued before the High Court that Ramdev's words were akin to hate speech. The court gave Ramdev 5 days to file an affidavit and scheduled the next hearing for May 1. It also referenced Ramdev's past legal troubles, including Supreme Court contempt proceedings for misleading ads. Ramdev didn't back down initially. On April 18, he defended his remarks, claiming he didn't name Ruh Afza or any other community directly, saying if they are building madrasas, they should be happy. But facing the court pressure, Ramdev's legal team, led by senior advocate Rajiv Nair, informed the Delhi High Court today that all advertisements and videos targeting Ruh Afza would be taken down. This move suggests Ramdev is trying to mitigate the legal fallout. This isn't Ramdev's first brush with controversy. Patanjali has faced multiple lawsuits for misleading claims about its products, from COVID-19 cures to quality issues. The Sharbat Jihad row has reignited debates about using religion in marketing, and for Hamdard, it's a fight to protect Ruh Afza's legacy. For consumers, it raises questions about trust in brands. The court's final ruling could set a precedent for how brands compete in India's sensitive market.